Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to earn money on Voya chat voice and group applications. It's really simple. You can earn money through a referral link. So first of all, you need to create your account, then tap here right bottom corner of your screen. It's a profile icon. Then you can see here invite friends and earn coins. So simply tap here. Just wait a second to get the interface. So you can see like 8.87, almost $1 per invite, and you have earned 400 coins, 2000. So you can see you can earn every time 10%. So simply tap here or invite now. Simply tap here invitation code copy, and you have to send this invitation code to your friend, and once they created account, then they will get the invitation code box. When they use your invitation code, then you will receive this amount of money, and you can earn here through referral link. And you can see here like congratulations for inviting friends and receiving receiving money. So you can see here